guys, it's Jordy. I'm going to be doing something a little bit different with you guys today. I'm going to be creating this messy bun for you all, but using no heat whatsoever when curling my hair. And you can see how I did that from start to finish if you keep watching. Also, quick disclosure, the next video I look absolutely shocking. I've got no makeup on, I've just jumped out of the shower. And I'm doing this wrap do for you all, which is how you actually create the heatless curl. So please don't judge me, and you'll see how it all comes together at the end. Alrighty, so we're gonna give this heatless curl thing a go. Fingers crossed it works. I've only tried this once or twice before, and so far so good. I just need to perfect it. So fingers crossed it works out in the morning. My hair is semi-dry, it's still a little bit wet, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab this sea salt spray that I always use and just spritz this, just so it's got a little bit of hold in it the next morning. Because we're not using heat in this style, using product is probably your best bet of making the curl hold. Basically what you want to do is kind of part your hair in the middle, kind of, doesn't really matter. It's not perfect. And then grab like a headscarf, start at the back, and tie a cute little bow at the front. Oh, that's so cute. Tying the bow at the front is better because when you sleep and rest your head side to side, you don't want a big knot at the back of your head. But basically what you do is start off with small sections and wrapping them in and behind that scarf there, like that. And you're gonna follow it through all the way around to the back. Match the other side as well as you're going. I tried doing it a loop around and it didn't really work. These ones were curlier than those ones, so I'm going to try and match them towards the back of your head. So again, grabbing that small section at the front and wrapping it underneath. Them up towards the front of your head so they're quite tight. Also it leaves enough room for the back of your hair because the further you go around, the more hair you're picking up, so it's going to get thicker and thicker. It's like a little hairstyle in itself. So that's that. So I'm gonna give this a go. I'm going to sleep in it. I'll let you guys know how it goes in the morning and we'll unravel this together. Hey guys, so it's the next morning. I have slept into this little do, as you can see. I'm going to unravel this with you guys to see if it actually works. I'm really hoping that the third time's a charm and we can open this together and it all works out. Okay, so time for the big reveal. Also, this is really comfortable to sleep in, by the way. So I'm just gonna slide this through my hair if I can. Oh my gosh, I'm actually quite nervous. Oh my god, it holds. Now, there's different ways to do this, but oh my god, it actually does a really quite nice curl. But the curl actually doesn't look that bad. Oh my god, I think we're onto something here. Yeah, I look like Goldilocks at the moment, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna brush this out. I think if we brush this out, it might relax itself a little bit. So after I brushed it, it's gonna be a really big frizzy mess, but I'm gonna basically go in starting from the bottom and curling those ringlets all together. Look, I'm pretty impressed. I think the front bits are a little bit too curly for my liking, and I feel like a bit of like a Shirley Temple situation. I feel like my mum. I've never had curls like this that look so natural. So I'm kind of into it. But anyway, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my halo extensions in now. As you can see, I've curled them a lot smaller than what I normally do. I usually use quite a thick barrel, but I used a really tiny little barrel to match the curls that I've got here now. And then I'm gonna just brush them out before I put them in. Just piece away that top section Make room for the halo. And then pop that halo on. Moment of truth. And then take that all away. So I've got my fine halo in at the moment, just for that little bit of extra volume. Now the whole reason why I'm doing a heatless curl is because of the nature of my job. My hair gets absolutely hammered with heat, and on my days off I really like to make sure I'm really looking after my hair so it's not being damaged by, you know, hot tongs and straighteners and all that kind of stuff. So to find a heatless curl that I can sleep in overnight, have a beautiful beachy curl in the morning is really ideal. Especially with the hairstyle that I'm about to create for you all. So what I'm going to do is actually use all of these curls. I'm going to put it up in a little messy bun. Just about here, you want to grab your hair tie, just pull it all back. Just pull any bits out, just to loosen that up a little bit. I'm gonna pull some bits out on the sides. Then you're gonna need one bobby pin, split it into two, kind of just wrap it around each other, like so. Yeah. So again, what I did was I split them in two and I wrapped them around each other and just placed the two ends underneath the bottom and just tucked in any other pieces that I kind of wanted hidden. But yeah, then you can kind of just start pulling out little pieces of your hair that you kind of want to be a bit more messy. Now I like to kind of put these little pieces behind my ears, but then keeping the other ones kind of out. So here's the final look. I've got a really beautiful, simple, messy bun right here, using no heat whatsoever on my natural hair. And yeah, it just creates a lot of volume. I haven't done an updo, a proper updo yet, so I hope you really like this. It's kind of bringing me back to Gossip Girl Serena vibes, not gonna lie, like all white party, if you know what I'm talking about. Look, Serena van der Woodsen is like my ultimate life goals, ultimate #1 woman crush. But yeah, so I actually get inspired a lot by her and her hairstyles. Yeah, I hope you guys are loving it just as much as I do. If you're loving these videos, please make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave any comments or questions you have below. We'd love to get back to you. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing you guys in the next video.